ito yung power of lakas. Or simply to say, ito yung kung gaano kabilis natin magagawa yung work na ginawa natin. Work per specific unit of time natin. So, yun yung meaning ng power natin. So, yung per work, pinag-aralan na natin nun. So, the quantity work has to do with the force causing a displacement. So, alam naman natin kung ano yung displacement na tinutukoy dito. Meaning, siya yung, for example, meron tayong certain object, tapos may nag-act na force dito. So, yung force na yon yung magkukos sa kanya para mailipat siya at a certain distance or a certain displacement natin. So, di ba yan yung work natin? Nandito pumapasok yung work natin, which is equal to force times distance. Now, when we say power, sabi natin power, ang pinag-usapan na natin dito, kung gaano ba natin kabilis magagawa yung work. Okay? We're talking about we're talking about time, kung gaano natin kabilis magagawa yung work natin dito. So work has nothing to do with the amount of time that this force acts to cause the displacement. Sometimes the work is done very quickly, meaning mabilis lang yung paggawa ng work natin dito, o kaya minsan naman mabagal yung work na ginagawa or nangyayari dito. For example, may dalawang tao na nagtukad, meaning tumaas dun sa cliff. So yung isa, yung ginawa niya is uh, rock climber. Meaning, kung ito yung cliff natin, yung isang tao, yung ginawa niya, sa diya, nagguno iya sa mga bato dito sa part na to. So, yun yung ginawa niya, rock climber. On the other hand, a trail hiker, so yung trail hiker, yung ginawa niya, kahit mahaba yung nilakad niya, nilakad lang niya, nilakad lang niya yung cliff pataas dun sa mountain, which might elevate her body a few meters in a short amount of time. Papansinin nyo, yung ang displacement ng tao na to, mula dito, sa part na to, hanggang dito din. Diba yan yung total distance na na-displace niya. So, same with the same with other people, lagay natin as red, yung nag-hike dito. Yung red na yan, so nung nakarating siya dito, yung total amount of displaced niya, so same lang naman sila. Same lang naman sila ng displaced na distance. So kung napansin nyo, ito, since rock climber siya, mahihirapan siya umakyat. Yung kulay itim, mahihirapan siya umakyat. Kung i-compare natin dito na nagtitrail up siya, kung may sinusundan na siya na daan. So mas mahirapan siyang umakyat, therefore mas marami yung time na makokonsume nito kaysa dun sa time na makokonsume nitong nasa trail. So, syempre, kasi mas mahirap to. Therefore, mas mag-e-exert, the two people might do the same amount of work. Kasi, tingnan natin, same distance yung na-displace ng dalawang tao na yon. So, yet the hiker does the work in considerably less time than the rock climber. Sabi ko nga, mas mahirapan umakyat to since mas mahirap yung napili niya na trail kaysa dito. So, the quantity has to do with the rate. Ito yung meaning ng power. So, the rate at which a certain amount of work is done is known as the power. So, kung gaano ba kabilis na magawa yung work natin. So, yun yung meaning ng power. Work. Power, simply to say, the rate at which a certain amount of work is done. O kaya kung gaano natin kabilis magagawa yung work natin. So, formula-based, mathematically, power is the rate at which a work is done, or mathematically, ito yung equation natin. So, power is equals to work over time, wherein, di ba yung work natin, may formula tayo for work. So, work is equals to force times distance over time. So, ito yung formula natin for power. So, may given na force, may given na displacement, tapos may given na time, mas solve natin yung power. So, standard metric unit of power is watts. Okay, watts. Watt. What do we mean by watt? As is implied by the equation for a power, A unit of power is equivalent to a unit of work divided by the unit of time. Thus, a watt is equivalent to a joule per second. So, simply to say, di ba, yung work natin, anong unit ng work? Di ba that is equal to joule? O kaya Newton meter. Wait, yun natin, diretso natin. Unit of work. Ang unit man ng power, sinabi nating power, that is equal to watts or simply W. So, this is equal to, di ba, sabi natin, ang watt is equivalent to joule per second. Joule per second or yung joule equivalent siya sa Newton meter per second. So, Newton times meter per second. So, ito yung unit natin for power. Naka-watts naka-watts. Watts. Diba? For example, yung ilaw natin may wattage yan. So, lahat ng devices natin may watts. So, meaning yan yung indication ng power natin. Power. So, 1 horsepower for English unit is equivalent to approximately 750 watts. O kaya kami, minsan ginagamit namin is 746 watts. So, yan yung ginagamit namin na conversion. Conversion in which, sabi namin, 1 horsepower that is equal to 746 watts. So, ito yung conversion na gagamitin natin. So, what do we mean by horsepower? So, noong unang panahon, ang ginawa noon is may isang kabayo, ang lakas daw ng isang kabayo, pag hinila, yung mass na 33,000 pounds, mas na 33,000 pounds, hinila yon tapos nag-travel siya or na-displace siya ng 1 foot. So, ito yung displacement niya. So, ito yung force na meron tayo, 33,000 pounds. And yung time na na-consume nun, that is equal to 1 minute. Simply to say, ilalagay natin, so 1 horsepower, di ba dito? 1 horsepower, di ba sabi natin, power is equals to force times distance over time. So, force na na-consume natin is 33,000 pounds. Yan yung force na in-exert natin dun sa object. So, yung power para ma-exert natin na gagamitin natin yon. So, 33,000 pounds. So, multiply natin siya. Anong distance na displaced? Yung distance na displaced niya, that is equivalent to 1 foot. 1 foot divided by the total time para ma-displace yung 33,000, that is equal to 1 minute. So, 1 minute. Meaning, yung isang horsepower, that is equal to 33,000 foot-pound per minute. So, meaning, yung isang horsepower pala, di ba, madalas naman natin na naririnig horsepower, pero ang HP nga yan na motor mo. Pero ang HP nga yung makina ka nakatsi mo. So, madalas na natin na naririnig yan. So, what do we mean by that? HP, so that is equal to 33,000 foot-pound per minute. So, gagamitin natin itong mga conversion na to, itong 746,000. So, we need to familiarize and memorize dito sa mga conversion na to. Okay, highlight natin para madali nating makuha. Okay?